Well, we started up the day walking up the gravel road. Just 3 of us today. Don't know what everyone else is doing. Okay, we're searching for something in my memory from 30 years ago. We're heading up this gully that is just total rock, and we're surrounded by fields of coffee. I wouldn't call them fields, but surrounded by coffee. We're just following this rocky gulch, see where it leads. Well, we went up a gully, not telling you where, and then we found ourselves a pig trail, and we started opening up the pig trail so that people can walk through it. It doesn't really look like much of a trail yet. I'm looking back where we've been. Joseph's still back here clearing, and now I'll slowly swing around so you don't get dizzy, and look ahead. Eugene's up ahead. You can see the path just barely through the trees. Okay, we cut the trail. We came down into a gully that seems to be oozing water slightly. If you look on the rocks, they're kind of wet. It's a big rock face over here. A lot of ferns growing on it. Gene's cutting a trail to the base of it. And you can see it in the video right here. Big rock face. And we did find this little tiny waterfall right in that same gulch. I always enjoy walking along at the base of a rock face. It's really neat. I've got maidenhair ferns growing. Water just oozing down from above. It's interesting what it's like above us. But you can just see this whole rock face is wet. And then it cuts down. The trail's going to drop down. It's still following the base of the rock face. This is really neat right here. Different ferns growing on the rock face. Water just dripping away. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear the water dripping? It's a neat sound. Got a little waterfall there. And another spot in this rock face. We have a little bit more of a waterfall. Look at a sharp edge on the left side. The water is just running down this little crack in the rocks here. And somewhere up there, and this rock face just continues. It looks like we're going to We're going to drop below it now. It's starting to get cloudy. Temperature has dropped. We figure it's going to rain, so we decided to try to figure out how to bail out, but bail out constructively. We've come across an area with vines, exotic. Joseph, what is this vine again? Pothos vines. They climb way up the trees. And here's kind of a primitive wall, or definitely post-contact wall. It's just one row of rocks piled up. But I think we're gonna drop down into the gulch here. We were coming down a dry stream bed, and all of a sudden we could hear water flowing. And I guess the water's been seeping down, or there's a spring slightly up above here. But there's definitely a flow of water. A little pool down below here. And it keeps on going down. This is very difficult to see, but this wall goes up behind those trees over there. Circles around in the back, so we have some kind of an enclosure here. And it just keeps on going down. Here's this same post-contact single thickness wall. And it's also starting to rain. You probably can hear it. And the wall curves off in this direction. So, something to look at later on.